show you how to connect a Raspberry Pi 3 with an Ethernet cable directly to the laptop, to the PC, whatever. So, first, we'll need of course the Raspberry Pi 3, the power for it, an RJ45 Ethernet cable, a memory card reader, and of course the memory card. These are the things that you'll be needing to download. I will put the link below so you can download it. So first, the Raspberry. You'll need the Raspbian stretch with desktop. Download zip, and after that, the VNC and the SD memory card formatter and Putty and the Etcher. And then after that, insert your memory card using the memory card reader, and then you'll need to open the SD card formatter to reformat it. And after that, of course, you need to reformat it. And after formatting the memory card, open the Etcher. And open the file that we downloaded from the Raspberry website. Of course, you need to extract it first since it's in a zip. Yeah, that's it. Select it from where it is placed. For me, it's in the desktop. Okay, click it. And then after that, make sure that it is located on the memory card that you're going to use for the Raspberry, and then flash it. It will take a couple of time flashing it, so we have to be patient about it. It will take a lot of time, really. Well, it depends on your device, but this is so boring. This is the boring part of it.
"75 years later."
Some more because it has to validate it.
2,000 years later.
And after validating, the memory card will unmount, and of course you have to remount it. And after that, you need to open it and create a new text document with the name SSH. And after that, you need to rename it and remove the file extension. Okay, and after that, now you gotta put the memory card to your Raspberry Pi 3 and connect it using the Ethernet cable. After that, make sure that I will show you how to use your laptop's connection to share it with your Raspberry. So first, you need to network and internet settings, and then change adapter options, Wi-Fi, and the properties. sharing and allow it so it will transfer the internet to your Raspberry. That's the easiest way. And after you share it, Raspberry will appear as an unidentified network. And to check it, go to it, Properties, IPv4, click it, and we'll see the IP address for the Raspberry Pi 3. And to check it, go to command prompt and type ipconfig. And here, with the Ethernet connection, we'll see the IP address of the Raspberry Pi 3. So yeah. Now we're sure that it's already connected. And after that, okay, let me close everything up. We'll need to use the Putty. So in the Putty, you need to type Raspberry Pi.local. And then the port has to be 22. And that's it. Okay. So the login will be, the default is Pi, login as Pi, and the password is Raspberry. That's the default, but you can always change it later. And then here, you'll need to use the on-screen keyboard. Okay. And using the on-screen keyboard, you'll need to type sudo raspi config. Enter. And then interfacing options, VNC, and enable it. After that, close everything up and open the VNC. Raspberry Pi.local. And the default password, which is Raspberry. There you go. Now it's already connected. And to check the internet. Okay, let's try if it's working. Oh, it's taking a lot of time. There you go, it's now working. The internet is working too. So, yeah. That's it. I hope you learned something. Bye.